Here at Aventido, we've done loads of webinars for the last couple of years, but we really want to see you. So we've put together an event called AT Together, and it's happening at the end of April, and we'd love to see you. So it's aimed for people who work in DSA and higher education, and it's at 3 locations. The first event is going to take place in Bristol at the University of the West of England on Tuesday, the 26th of April. And the second event is in Birmingham. So it's at the Holiday Inn in Birmingham on Wednesday, the 27th of April. And the third event is happening in Manchester. Now, this is at the Marriott Hotel at Manchester Airport on Thursday, the 28th of April. At each event, you'll watch product demonstrations from Orcam, ProStudy, Find My Flow, TextAid, Olympus, Lightkey and Aribi, and Antony Ruck will do an update on the DSA Tender. We'll also have a chance to chat generally about assistive technology. You get a free lunch and free refreshments. In fact, the whole event is free. So if you live near Bristol, Birmingham or Manchester, we would love to see you there. Click on the link in this post to get a ticket.